To create an internal fish dart, select the Fish Dart tool. Click inside the piece to establish the starting point. There are two red X's, one at the start point and the other on the closest grade point. Use the dialog to set the precise fish dart position in relation to the grade point. Click OK, then move the cursor to set the end point of the fish dart. Use the dialog to set the precise end point of the fish dart. Enter the length of the fish dart in X, and zero out the Y field to make the dart horizontal, and click OK. Next, move the cursor up and down to set the width of the dart, and left and right to set the width position. Click to set the width. Use the fish dart dialog to adjust the fish dart length, position of the width point as an absolute number or percentage value, and the width amount. Click Apply to preview the changes. Tick on the curve points at the center option to create a curved fish dart. Click OK. To make changes to the fish dart, double-click the dart, and click the Fish Dart button in the internal contour dialog.